weather outside, and I set it on the motor. And it's been out here like less than 2 or 3 minutes. It's pretty chilly. The weather app says it's 7 degrees right now. 7 Fahrenheit. It says the wind chill is -10. It looks like water. It froze so fast it's clear, crystal clear. It's not water. Well, not in its liquid state. I'm not sure if the camera will pick up the little flurries that are coming down. But we are starting to get some of the bands of those clouds. And it's been about, I don't know, 10 minutes or so. Let Capone out to go run around a little bit, pee. Now let's go check on the temperature of the bike. Or the thermometer that's sitting on the bike, anyway. Yeah. Alrighty then. So according to this thermometer, it is a little lower than 7 degrees. We're at a degree. Almost a degree. Let's see. Oh, if I can even get the freaking key in there. I thought it froze. See if there's ice down in the tumbler or not. We might not be able to do this. Oh, it went in. But I think that's the wrong key. Get the other one. My fingers are already almost frozen. Hey, it's in. And we have power. That switch worked. Get some choke. Oh, I think I need to switch that to reserve. There we go. Oh, wow. And the clutch lever is now stuck froze. Nope, not gonna do it. Alright, so anyway, an almost 1 degree attempted cold start, and it ain't gonna do it.